The following is an ESG video brief.
The NAS filer, once the staple of the data center storage ecosystem, is quickly becoming an anchor weighing down business operations. And the weight of that anchor is rapid data growth. As more digital content is created, filer-based storage silos introduce limitations around scalability, protection, data fragmentation, and duplication. File data just lives everywhere. As a result, the use of traditional RAID-based NAS filers is becoming simply unsustainable for many organizations. For example, the protection inefficiencies innate to RAID-based protection schemes, coupled with the use of high-capacity multi-terabyte drives, has led to significant increases in data recovery and drive rebuild times. These longer recovery times have increased the likelihood of multi-failure scenarios and ultimately data loss. To compensate for these limitations, filer-based storage silos require more copies of data, which leads to increased storage capital and management costs. The ultimate cost impact often exceeds the limits of what many IT budgets can support. Additionally, operational IT budgets are further burdened by the variety of content and value types of the unstructured data stored within these filers. These variations and a lack of visibility into just what is stored in them can transform NAS filer arrays into the data junk drawer for many organizations. In response to the demands for increased scalability and better manageability, object storage technology has emerged as an answer, providing near unlimited scalability in a single flat address space. One enterprise object storage provider, Caringo, delivers its swarm object storage technology as software. This software-defined storage architecture allows for hyperscale commodity hardware storage deployments, increasing the flexibility and reducing the overall capital cost of massive content repositories. These capabilities of object storage are helping drive wider adoption. In ESG's recent research study of the data storage industry, IT decision makers revealed that close to 82% of respondents identified themselves as either considering or having deployed object storage, with usage led by these organizations with the highest rates of data growth. When polled on the expected impact object storage would have on their existing NAS footprints over the next 3 years, 25% expected object to completely eliminate NAS, and an additional 45% expected object to significantly reduce the NAS footprint. That's 70% of organizations that we surveyed looking towards object stores to solve scalability and manageability challenges. Still, however, many business applications and workloads were designed to work with existing NAS filer systems. The transition to a new solution can be a challenge for many organizations. And to solve this, Caringo recently announced its FileFly. With FileFly, Caringo provides the ability to extend the capacity of existing on-premise filers to near unlimited levels. FileFly seamlessly and automatically migrates data off of traditional NAS file systems, such as Microsoft Windows or NetApp, onto Caringo's Swarm object storage. To any applications or users accessing the file system, new capacity is seen simply as an extension of the existing filer solution. FileFly leverages policy-based automation to control the migration process. FileFly enables the additional benefits of object storage, such as access to advanced search and metadata analysis, providing a foundation to sort through that junk drawer and to understand or even leverage data assets under management. With the rate of unstructured data growth across the IT industry, more and more organizations are starting to realize that the status quo of the storage silo is no longer sustainable. For many of these organizations, however, deploying and migrating to more contemporary storage environments may require significant downtime. In some cases, existing infrastructure has to be completely replaced or upgraded. For organizations that wish to transition to a software-defined storage architecture that offers the benefits of hyperscale and the cost-effectiveness of commodity infrastructure, but are hesitant due to the initial deployment costs or the pain of migration, solutions like FileFly can offer momentous value. Ultimately, FileFly helps organizations to shift their data to a next-generation storage architecture on their own terms.